guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the June Boxycharm Premium. If you guys haven't heard of the Boxycharm Premium box, it is $35 a month. You get 6 items and you get to customize 2 of them. So let's get into it. Oh, real quick guys, Boxycharm does send me these boxes, although this video is not sponsored. This is just my honest review as always. I did review the Boxycharm base box in case you guys want to watch that. I'll include that in the description down below. I'm also going to be reviewing the Boxy Luxe, so look out for that. I'm posting a video Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday on each box, and then Thursday, I believe, I'm going to be reviewing all 3 boxes. That way you guys can really see the value of each box to determine whether it's even worth it for you. And yeah, let's get started. So this is the box right here. If you guys are new to my videos, I typically show you each product and then I actually use it. That way you can get more of a feel for how each product actually applies and whether I think each individual product is worth it. The makeup that I have on right now is from reviewing the base box. It looks like we have 3 makeup products here. I have a hair product and 2 skincare products. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the 3 makeup products, then I'm gonna take my makeup off, use the skincare products, and then I'll use the hair product. Or should I use the hair product first? Okay, so I'm actually gonna show you guys the hairspray first. Not hairspray, but spray-free hair first, because I don't know if I can actually use this. This is for, you're supposed to apply this to damp hair. But this is the Moroccan Perfect Defense. So it just comes in a little spray. Let's see if you can see. By the way, these straight brows with the high pony, like, what am I trying to be, Ariana, or what's going on? But I'm gonna use this in my hair anyway. Like I said, it's meant for damp hair, but. So this is apparently a really good heat defense. I've heard a lot about this brand in general. People really like their products. I feel like you would still be able to use this heat protectant on dry hair, but I guess it just works better when it's damp because it really gets in there. It has a nice scent, although it's very, very strong. So if you're someone who gets migraines, I don't know how you would feel about this. I get migraines and this seems a little excessive. Although maybe on damp hair, when it's like fully gets into the follicles of your hair, it won't be as strong. But it's feeling a little intense on my dry hair right now. But this guy is $28 and it protects against damaging effects of heat styling up to 450 degrees and 230 degrees Celsius. So if you're someone who uses a lot of hot tools, I think that would be worth it. And $28 really isn't a bad price. Next up is the Concierge Cheek and Lip Tint by Floss Beauty. Cute little tube here. What the heck? Oh, it's a twist. This is a really nice, like, mauve-y kind of shade, which I like. I'm not really big into cheek tints, but I'm obviously gonna try these out for you guys. And like it says, you can also use this on your lips, which might be more of a lip color that I would use, so I'm gonna do that first. And I just have a clear gloss on now, so this isn't going to be affecting the color. I have a clear gloss on with lip liner, just to be transparent with you guys. But I really, really love this shade. It feels like it's just slightly darker than my natural lip color. It looks really nice. Now for the cheeks. Just going right on the apples of my cheeks here. This does feel really nice on the face. I'm not typically a cheek stain person because they usually feel really greasy, but this just feels like it's sinking right into your skin. And now that I'm getting older, I should really start using more cream products. Get some of those powders out of there. Yeah, this is a really nice color. And if you want to mattify it a little bit, you can always just go over it with a little bit of powder. This is just the Urban.Decay All Nighter setting powder. Yeah, that looks really nice. I might have put a little bit too much on, but you can never have enough blush. This guy is $22, which I think is a great price. You get so much product in here, and you really don't need a lot. It also says that it's weatherproof and it's all day wear, but I really love it on my lips. That's such a great color. It looks like we have another lip product here. This one is by ZOEVA. This is the Pure Velour Lips. Funny enough, this looks like a very similar color to that tint that we just used, right? Which is a good thing now that we know that we like this color. But let me just take off the color to try it. Okay, so I'm leaving on my lip liner. Okay, so this is definitely darker. This looks a lot like Velvet Teddy from MAC. I like it. Especially with this eye look, this like perfectly paired. This lip is $15 and it starts out like a velvety creamy formula, but it says it dries down more of a matte. It's a long-lasting formula and it's 100% free of animal-derived ingredients, fragrances, mineral oils, parabens, and that one I can never say, fossils, who knows? And last up for the beauty portion, we have a Marc Jacobs mascara. This is the Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. I feel like this is gonna be hard for you guys to see on camera with my winged eyeliner, but it does seem to be coating the lashes pretty well. Although I did hear that Marc Jacobs was discontinuing their makeup line. I don't know if that's 100% true or... I mean, I don't use that many products from Marc Jacobs, so I don't know if I'm that upset about it, but it's still just a shame. But yeah, I think I wouldn't say that this was like a crazy amount of volume though. Although I wear fake lashes all the time, so this might be a good base. But the mascara is $27, which, I mean, for $27, might as well just go get like the Dior Show if you want like really crazy lashes. I might be being a little bit harsh on that product. I do have some excess mascara from the previous makeup look that I tried taking off with makeup wipes. So maybe from having some residue from the other mascara, it's just making this one not look as lengthening. And this might be one of those mascaras that looks really good when you have like a no makeup look. But this is how the makeup products turned out. Now I'm gonna head off camera and take my makeup off, and then we're gonna try out the other two skincare products. Sorry for this stark difference. Usually I like to look better throughout the video, but here we are. Okay, next up we have a HA booster. This is the Skin Regimen 1.85 HA booster. Ooh, this is $115. All right, I'm just gonna be putting about that much on, which in total comes to about a dime size amount. Feels very hydrating. Seems to be absorbing into my skin. This has 3 forms of hyaluronic acid, so it's micro, macro, and cross-linked to infuse the skin. It locks in moisture at various levels to restore optimum levels of hydration. It's free of silicones and synthetic fragrances. It's 99.2% natural ingredients. Hyaluronic acids are great for plumping the skin, so having 3 different types in there is really beneficial. I don't know if I would spend $115 on it, but it does feel really nice. So if you're someone who's like a skincare junkie, maybe you would like this one. It does also seem to be very calming. It's calming some of my redness. Ooh, next up we have a product by One Size. I believe this is Patrick Starr's brand, right? So these are the Secure the Blur Hydrating Under Eye Patches. It comes with 6 of these in a pack, and it says that they help hydrate, depuff, and reduce the appearance of dark circles, fine lines, and texture. They are $25, which actually is not bad for a pack of 6. Normally I don't use under eye patches in videos, but I just have so many building up in my thing, and I'm like, you know what? Let's just use it. Oh, these are cute. Okay. I love how thin these are. If you guys can see from the side, they're super, super thin, lightweight. I've tried others that are like cardboard. I'm like, geez, this is gonna give me more wrinkles. They also stay put really well. I can't stand the ones that are like jelly and they're just moving all over the place. Like this, you can actually move around and get things done while just keeping them on your face to hydrate. I'm just gonna put a little bit of the extra excess onto my eyelids. It says to leave these on between 10 to 15 minutes, so I'm gonna do 15 minutes because I'm extra, and I'll be back. Right, take these guys off. Tapping this excess in. My under eyes actually do look a little more plump, in my opinion at least. I feel like most patches don't do too much, but I feel like revived, you know? I don't know why I'm whispering. So these were the June Boxycharm Premium Spoilers for those of you who didn't receive your box yet. But let me know what you guys think of each product. Let me know which products you decided to customize in your box. Since these are sent to me, I didn't have any products customized, but I actually really liked everything that I got. I'll definitely be using the serum up since I'm not gonna be spending $115 on that. But that really is the great thing about Boxycharm is you're only paying $35 and you get these products that are so much more expensive in your box. I mean, this product alone, $115? Jesus. But let me know what you guys think of this beauty box subscription review. And yeah, are there any other boxes that you guys want me to review? And keep a lookout for the Boxycharm Luxe? Is it Boxy Luxe? Boxy Luxe, that'll be up tomorrow for you guys, or if it's already up, it'll be in the description box. But yeah, make sure to give this video a like if you liked it. It really helps me out. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me, and I love you guys so much. I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.